Hello everyone. Today we're going to demo our PinApps application for the hackathon. Our project name is Pebble Air Drum. So basically here we're using the device Pebble Watch here, and a Nexus 7 Android tablet. Enable user to use the Pebble Watch to play drum in the air. Alright, so let's get started. This is the entry screen of this application we created. So we click play, and here's the screen that we could just choose the choice of hands. If you're wearing the Apple Watch on your right hand, so you gotta pick right, and also you can pick left, and just a little animation here. So basically here we pick right, and then we confirm. Alright, so this is the screen that we will play our drum, and I will just open the application log of Pebble Watch so we could actually see what our gestures are shown on the application log output. Alright, these are the formal logs here. So here we're going to demo our gesture recognition with Pebble. So start a little bit tired. So for the Pebble Watch here, we're using the accelerometer embedded inside. So for this direction, it is the X axis, and this is the Y axis, and this is the Z action. So actually, for every time we recognize a gesture, we'll actually detect a loss of weight on the Z direction. So now first what I'm going to show is a front gesture. So basically what you need to do is to bend this watch in this direction so it could be recognized. So basically what you do is do this, and actually you can see on the log output here, that's close enough here, it is showing that the last gesture is front. So, and then what we're going to do is a right gesture. So basically you kind of need to bend your waist this way. Okay, so it's not waist, wrist, whatever. So here, and you're gonna need to bend harder because you're gonna exceed this threshold. So here and here. Yep. And now you can see on the screen here it is right. So this is not that precise yet, because we actually need a gyro or something else to make it more precise, but here that's what we could do. So now it's the gesture for left, so we need to actually bend our wrist this way. So here we go, and now we see here, yeah, there's a left there, and I'm not gonna show you all of them, but when you do right, it's like this. So actually we could go and see the display.
This is the major activity of our application, and you can see there are 4 drums on the main screen. Actually, besides using Pebble Watch, the user can also play the game by tapping on the drums like this. And our application also has a record function like this. Here we start recording. Now we successfully recorded, and we can replay it like this.
Alright, now we can just play this game with our Pebble Watch. So here we go. So basically we use our Pebble Watch to play this game. So first we need to know which drum we're currently on. So let's just test with the front. Okay, so now we see we're on this currently at the second drum. So we want to move left or move back and whatever. Let's try. Okay, so we move left. Okay, move front. Right. Right. And I can just do something. We go backwards.